Hey y'all, so today's a special day. It's my birthday. I'm super excited that the Michael Jackson movie came out on my birthday weekend. So I had to get into the theme of it all. So we're on our way to go take some pictures, and we're gonna drop by the Michael Jackson house just to see, like, I know it's gonna be a bunch of people, but we can't have the movie and not go to the house. So yep, I'll see y'all in a minute. So we're here at the Michael Jackson house. This is the house, guys. This is where they grew up. Look how small the house is. Like, could y'all imagine growing up in there? Like, wow. There's a lot of people out here. So guys, we are here at Roosevelt High School. This is Roosevelt High School. This is where Michael Jackson went to school. And this is where I went to high school as well. It is no longer open, but people still come and visit and see it. Like, oh my God, the memories I have of coming to Roosevelt. Like, this school is humongous. So in the movie, this is where they had that the talent show. This is where they did their first talent show, at Roosevelt High School. Wow, the memories. I'm so proud of my city right now. The amount of support that we are getting for this movie is just amazing. Like, no one's here at the school right now, but I wanted to come and see the school because I hadn't been back this way in so long. But yeah, this is the school, guys. Roosevelt Panthers. So I'm just leaving the movies, and oh my goodness, the movie was so good. You guys have to go see it. I give it a 10 out of 10.